यार ब्रो, मेरा मन तो बहुत है लेकिन एक्सरसाइज हो नहीं पाती है ना, टाइम कहाँ है मेरे पास. Sounds familiar? Now guys, that's absolutely fine if you do not have the time to do any exercise. But here are some exercises you can literally do anywhere. Now a very small message before I start out this video, guys. Don't think of exercises as a thing which can only be done at the gym or with weights. It can be literally done anywhere. You just have to be creative about it. Yes, it might not be as yielding as maybe lifting a 100 kg deadlift, but a start is a start and baby steps do matter. So something is better than nothing. Keep that in mind, and now let's go on to the video. Happens is when you wash utensils, or when you're looking down chopping vegetables, etc., doing this stretch for your neck is going to be amazing because it's going to relieve the muscles of your neck. So try that. So guys, this is not a car review, but a very simple technique in order for you to maintain your fitness levels even while you're driving. Although I recommend कि आप ये सारे movements पहले practice करो एक खड़ी गाड़ी पे, किसी को ठोक मत देना please. So the very first movement is to maintain that straight back. It's called scapular retraction and depression. Scientific नाम है, कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है, बहुत simple है. We'll place our hands at that 10 and 2 o'clock position, straighten out and then rotate our arms inward. बेसिकली एक्सटर्नल रोटेशन है, लेकिन ये आपको अभी ऐसे फीलिंग लगेगी कि आप अंदर की तरफ रोटेट कर रहे हो. ग्रिप द स्टीयरिंग व्हील एकदम हार्ड, समथिंग लाइक दिस. एक्सटर्नली रोटेट योर आर्म्स एंड रिट्रैक्ट योर शोल्डर ब्लेड्स, थक एंड पुश देम डाउन. डोंट ड्राइव लाइक दिस गाइस. ट्राई टू डू दीज जब आप ट्रैफिक जैम वगैरह में फंसे हुए हो, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. और गाइस, गर्मी देखो इतनी भयंकर हो रही है यहाँ पे, मैं फिर भी आपके लिए वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ. तो अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ, लाइक नहीं किया हुआ, गाइस प्लीज, गर्मी है यार, कर दो. द सेकेंड वन इज ग्लूट आइसोमेट्रिक्स. बहुत सिंपल है ये टेक्निक गाइस. डू इट व्हाइल यूर ऑन अ रेड लाइट और समथिंग. 10 सेकेंड का आइसोमेट्रिक होल्ड कर सकते हैं हम. सो आपके पैर क्लच, एक्सेलरेटर, ब्रेक पे नहीं होना चाहिए. हैंड ब्रेक लगा देना गाड़ी में सेफ्टी पर्पसेस, एंड देन पुश योर फीट राइट ऑन द फ्लोर जस्ट लाइक दिस. सिंपल, किसी को पता भी नहीं लगेगा आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो एंड यू आर स्टिल डूइंग इट. So something is better than nothing. Also guys, I can make a full video on overall fitness in a car. If you want to see that, do let me know in the comment section. It might look like I'm doing no exercise at all, but what I'm doing secretly is this. Secondly, once you feel that you're getting tired, your shoulders are getting tired, your neck is getting tired, perform this stretch. So what you want to do is externally rotate your arms, something like this. Put down your shoulders, slightly retract your scapula, and then just go as back as possible, something like this. Make sure your pelvis is tucked in, something like this. It's not arching like this, otherwise your low back will hurt a lot. अरे यार, आज कौन सी मूवी देखूं? सब देख लिया क्वारंटीन में मैंने. Guys, instead of sitting on something like a beanbag or like a couch or something like that, you can do this. This would make sure that you need to squat down low in order for simple activities like just watching TV. If you do not have something like this, eliminate it and you can simply sit down on the floor, something like this, and watch TV, and it will kind of help you get down even lower, and it's an exercise in general. So try to get up every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just something like this, and automatically it counts as an exercise.